Welcome to our channel, World Teacher News. Jnana Prasuvanas. Moral values of Sadguru Subramaniam. God is not our needs. Our need should be God. Jnani is born, not made. Here from there, sadhana. There from here, siddhi. Whatever will is the right or not, it is the will of Shiva. Sarvam Shivecha. The destination of every river is the sea. In the same way, the destination of the every being, God. The author of the play of universe, director and actor, side actor, hero, heroines, all are God. There is no doubt. Sadguru Subramaniam, he is Avadhuta. There is no doubt. He says that doer, deed and doing means karta, karma, kriya. All are God. Name and form is Maha Maya. He says that Sadguru Subramaniam Garu said that for the one who is with equanimity, there will not be Marana Bhayam. All Shastras in Atma Nishtha. For the one who is with equanimity, there will not be fear of death. There is no doubt. For the one who is with equanimity, there will not be fear of death. You should ask God for us. God for us, you should ask. Is only for you. Karta, karma, kriya, all are God. There is no impossible to the God. The impossible says that I am possible. Fear is bondage. Fearlessness is moksha. Said by Sadguru Subramaniam. Remain without despairing or supporting anything. నీకు గౌరవం లేనటువంటి చోట ఒక్క క్షణం కూడా నీవు జీవించొద్దు అని చెప్తున్నారు సద్గురు సుబ్రహ్మణ్యం గారు. వాట్ ఎవర్ దట్ హ్యాపెండ్ టిల్ ద లాస్ట్ మూమెంట్ ఈజ్ ద విల్ ఆఫ్ గాడ్. నీ చివరి క్షణం వరకు అంటే మరణావస్థ వరకు కూడా జరిగేదంతా కూడా దైవ నిర్ణయ ప్రకారమే జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది అంటున్నారు సద్గురు సుబ్రహ్మణ్యం గారు. Name and form is Maya. Whatever that happened, title till the last moment is the will of God. You are agree or not, you are God. There is no doubt at all. Materialistic view is to say that I am in the world. Spiritual view is say that I am as the world. Here to there, the view of the innocent. There from here, the view of the intelligent. Jnani is one who is dead after living. Ajnani is one who lives after death. Yarals goes to Srikalahasti and talk with Sadguru Subramaniam Garu. He is like the Ramana Maharshi, Avadhuta. There is no doubt. Please subscribe our channel, World Teacher News. World Teacher News. These all our videos are peaceful, mind of peaceful mind. Please subscribe this channel and goes to the Srikalahasti. Meet the Sadguru Subramaniam Garu. Namaste.